I have not cleaned out this refrigerator pretty much all summer, so come along with me as we clean out the fridge and restock it with new groceries. I still feel like I need to take out all of these condiments and everything in the doors of the refrigerator and start from scratch. Take out everything, clean it all out, and actually see what we're eating, because I'm sure some of those things that are there are things that we do not eat. And that's another thing. Simplifying your refrigerator. I simplify my house as much as possible as far as toys and clothes and clutter go, but what about the refrigerator? Because we open that thing multiple times a day, and it is so stressful to open it and just see clutter. So I think I'll do a video of me reorganizing the doors of the refrigerator as well and cleaning that out. But it is just so nice when you open up the refrigerator and it's organized and there's actually things that you eat in there. When it's filled with just a bunch of packaged junk that you don't eat or that has been in there for a while, it is overwhelming, and it almost makes it so that you don't want to clean the fridge regularly because it's just overwhelming. Every time you open it, you're like, I'll just get to it later. But if you do this on a weekly basis and clean out your fridge, it will be more manageable. That's what I've found, at least. But I'll be honest, over the summer, I have not been cleaning out the fridge, and I am here to tell you it is overwhelming because I kept putting it off. I would go grocery shopping, come home, wash the fruit, put away the vegetables, put away all the groceries, and I just shove it in the fridge, even though I knew the fridge was unorganized and messy, even kind of stunk a little bit, not gonna lie, sometimes. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I really need to get to that. Like, it kept lingering over my head. And I was just like, I'll get to it next week, and so on and so forth. Now that I finally cleaned out the fridge and it looks better, smells better, it's more manageable, I feel like when I'll go grocery shopping the next time, I actually want to wipe it down, clear it out like I had been doing. So anyhow, it just is more manageable after you just get in the routine of doing it. I hope you enjoyed this clean out and mini restock of the refrigerator. I had put the fresh dates that I bought in the pantry and realized that they need to go in the refrigerator.